Welcome to Join the Brain Fitness. Today we'll be making a high protein dessert. It's going to be a Rice Krispie treat, but using cereal that has protein in it. Also, a couple scoops of protein powder.
Before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel as I bring to you high protein meals and snacks every week and videos on how I lost 90 pounds. I kept it off over the years.
First thing we're going to do is get a pot, put it on medium heat, and add 3 tablespoons of butter. So this is where I'm going to cut. Wait for it to melt. The reason why I'm using Magic Spoon cereal is because it has 13 grams of protein per serving, and if you compare that to like a cereal like Froot Loops, which is what this cereal is kind of mimicking, Froot Loops has 110 calories and 1 gram of protein, whereas Magic Spoon has 13 grams of protein and 150 calories. Using this as a substitute will increase your protein intake. Once the butter is melted, now you can add the marshmallows. And you're pretty much gonna keep stirring. Now once the marshmallows get almost pretty much all melted, this is when I put in the protein powder. So each scoop of protein powder is about 25 grams of protein. And what I use is this vanilla protein. So you get 2 cups in there, or 2 servings. And we're gonna keep stirring. Use all the arm strength you have. At this point, we can remove it from the stove. Let's pour about 3 cups of cereal and then pour it into the mixture. This is where it gets really hard to stir. You gotta really put some forearm strength into it. Alright, and once it's into one big nasty ball, take a little stick of butter, use your pan, and then pour this mixture in here. Alright, we're going to let this sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Now that these have cooled down, we're going to cut them into 6 squares. Now for a little decoration, I would like to have some big eyes looking at me while I chow down into it. Finished product. Big old smile for you. Now it's time to track calories. So I'm gonna use MyFitnessPal. So we're gonna go to add food, go to my meals, create a meal, add items. We're gonna add Magic Spoon fruity cereal. So we use 3 cups, so this will be 6. Now we use Isopure protein powder, which I already have here. We use 2 scoops. So I'm gonna add that. We use 3 tablespoons of butter from Nell's. Last but not least, we're going to add the mini marshmallows from Weiss times 9. Right, all that's added. So it's 1970 calories for 6, 255 grams of carbs, 21 grams of fat, 126.5 grams of protein. So if you eat all 6 at the same time, this is what you're going to be dealing with. But for 1 bar, we want to divide this by 6. 126 divided by 6. 21 grams of protein. For calories, it's 328 calories. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh, tastes like a Froot Loops cereal bar. Ooh, it is good. Let me know if you try a recipe like this in the comments below. See you later.